Welcome to my channel. Let's talk about Kuma Inu. Of course, this token is still trading with 6-0. That means there's a potential for someone that will buy this token now to make some money. And not just that, today alone, this token is among the top gainers today, because Kuma Inu today is already gaining over 41% or increase. That means someone who have $1,000 must have gotten $400 and something. Even if you have $100, you will have gotten $40. Now, in this video, I'll be talking about Kuma Inu and how much we need to have at least 100 million Kuma coins, and what's the potential future value of Kuma Inu. Remember, this video is not a financial advice, but only provided for information reasons. Now, if you have $17 invested on Kuma Inu at the time of recording this video, that simply means you might be having over 100 million coins of Kuma Inu. Now, do we need to wait for Kuma Inu to hit 1 cent or $1? Kuma Inu reaching $1? I don't think so. But making money with crypto trading or cryptocurrency is how you invest and buy tokens or coins when they are low, make some profit, and you cash out. That's how it works. Now, Kuma Inu still have over 6 zeros, and today alone it still have what? It still have gained over 41% increase. But one good thing again, I want to tell people, forget that Kuma Inu have said that Kuma has been migrated to Kuma V2. Even on their website here, you can see it, Kuma token V2 migration, and they have 100% fans approval. Not just that, on their Twitter, they have over 49,000 Twitter followers. Now, if you have $17 invested, you might be having over 100 million coins of what? Kuma Inu. Let's assume Kuma Inu now start trading with 4 zeros, okay? 4 zeros. Remember, Shiba Inu is trading with the what? With 4 zeros. Let's assume Kuma Inu start trading with just 4 zeros. It simply means your $17 investment today will be worth over $1,700. That is a good word return on investment, if you ask me. And not just that, Kuma Inu have over 485,000 watch lists. It simply means over 400, almost 500,000 people are watching the token. Some have bought the token, and some are watching it because people want to know what will be happening with Kuma Inu. Now, let's assume Kuma Inu start trading with just 3 zeros in future. Then your $17 investment might be worth over $17,000. Wow, that's a lot of money if you ask me. But for me, like what I might tell my viewers is that do not invest money in some token or coin and expect them to reach $1, $10, like many people have been recording on YouTube channel and on some blog. No, it doesn't work that way, okay? So one thing you need to understand that Kuma Inu might be what? Trading with 4 zeros. Even if it starts trading with 4 zeros, you still make money. Even if you have $1,000 in profit, that is a good amount of money, okay? So watch out for Kuma Inu, and if you want to invest, remember, do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. Once again, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. What we do, we talk about crypto trading and crypto world predictions.